to my channel. My name is Margaret, aka Hofa Maggie. Today I have Catherine.
Hi guys, my name is Catherine.
Yes.
So today we're going to be speaking about advice to my younger self.
So we're going to talk about these things in a whole bunch of different categories, from money to love, relationships, friends.
Next one is guard your peace at all costs.
Yes, guard it. So again, we've been talking about people, money, this and that, but the thing that's like more important than everything is having peace of mind. So that all these things kind of feed into that, because like avoiding drama, peace of mind, having your money together, peace of mind, you know, networking and knowing the right people who bring value to your life, even if the value is just like happiness and just peace, you know, peace of mind. So, and then I think learning how to guard your peace is like, it kind of goes with like learning how to like avoid drama and cut out of drama. Like me personally, I don't like gossiping, and I don't like gossiping, but I have like one or two gossip partners. That's it. Like, I gossip sometimes with my mom, and I'll gossip sometimes with like my best friend. But apart from that, any other circles, anytime gossip starts, I'm just because I don't want to start this with you people, and then now we're in a drama-filled entanglement. You know, so I'd rather like that's my boundary. Like when other people are, I'm just. They ask my opinion, I have no opinion. That's it, because Lord forbid someone goes and says Maggie said this, this said that, and then it turns into a whole thing.
Big thing.
But yeah, but with time you learn like the things that are like things that are coming to steal your peace. If you know you always have issues with like boys, like men who just come and waste your time, over time you should learn the red flags, like this guy's just coming to waste my time. I don't have time for this. Like he's coming to waste my time.
I feel like a lot of people can identify when someone's like toxic, but then they're still there, and they don't like say bye, get out,
because they're not guarding their peace.
And I feel like they don't know themselves enough. Like I feel like now, like I have a low tolerance for certain things, and I just don't want to do it. And I don't have to do it. And then I don't do it. Like I don't have time.
Exactly.
So
even time alone, even if I have time, I am not doing it, because I'm not wasting my space, my mind, my peace. Like I
feel like now I've learned that peace is expensive, and we all need it, because like I said before, like your 20s, I feel like they're so crucial. Like even though I'm not like my late 20s, I still know that there's a lot of work that I need to do on myself, and in order for me to like make it happen, I need to be at peace with myself. I need to be at peace with other people as well, but mostly myself, because then I have a clear mind. I know that okay, this is what I have to do. But let's say going back to drama, if I had like boyfriend drama, I'm gonna be stressed all the time because me and my boyfriend are arguing, or we're not seeing eye to eye, and it's just
and even leaving toxic people aside, like it even goes into like mental health. Like if you know the things that like stress you out, you need to also learn the things that help de-stress you. So like I mean, not that I get so stressed that I need to do my nails, but like for me personally, I love having my nails
like
done.
doing things you like, basically.
So learning yourself and learning what helps you have like peace of mind, because I think I also read somewhere with mental health, like mental health is more important than your physical health, because you can be in physical perfect health, but if your mental health is off,
everything
exactly.
True.
So it's like you need to protect like your peace and your mental health. Like if people are just coming to bring sad stories left, right, and center, no. If I'm just watching scary movies, sad, no. Like you know what you can handle, you know what you can't handle.
I've learned to just be intentional in like what I want to do. So that goes back to like where I want to go, who I want to spend my time with, or what I want to do like in my spare time. And like I said before, lockdown really helped with that, because I knew that okay, I've got 24 hours to myself. What am I gonna do for myself? So you know, like I listen to a lot of things that are gonna help me with my growth. Reading, music, going for walks, exercise if you can. But you know, all of those things, it helps. It helps.
It's always good to happy yourself.
You have to. If not, like who's gonna do it for you? Like come on, girl, come on. This one is really important. It is how to rely, not even how to, you must rely on God and speak to God. He's the one with all the answers.
Exactly.
I really learned that. Like, he's the one that's gonna come, whatever you're going through, like, in all the topics that we've spoken about, whether it's school and relationships, I feel like he's the man.
Yeah.
With the answers.
Yeah.
And the direction. Yeah. So,
And God has control over everything. So, like, the situation can even be like even me, like, I was getting ready to go back to work before all this COVID thing, and I remember one night in particular, I was really like, I could not sleep because I was thinking about, I was like, oh, what am I gonna do with my baby? I'm gonna miss her. How's this gonna work? This and that. Granted, health emergency is not good. That it obviously is a tragic thing, but in a way, it kind of worked that, like, it helped ease me out of maternity leave, like, because I can work from home. She's here, this and that. It's almost like the things I was worried about, God already knew, like, it's not gonna matter. You know what I mean? So I think sometimes when you learn to cast your problems on God rather than always complaining to other human beings, then you can deal with your issues without having someone who's keeping a list of all your problems.
Yeah, because you're kind of jinxing it for yourself.
Yeah, because if you don't know how to pray and you don't know how to turn to God, you're always going to complain to somebody. If it's a relationship, you're going to complain to them about your man. Now your friend knows everything about your man, left, right, and center, but you've forgiven him, but she knows all these things. So it's so sometimes it's good to learn to, like, pray and learn to rely on God and learn to, like, wait, have a little bit of patience. Patience is a thing I'm learning and working on as well. But,
yeah, we all are.
Yeah.
We all are.
Yeah, but praying and relying on God is, like, especially when I was your age. Because I remember when I was just about your age, Auntie Nana. Those who don't know Auntie Nana, I'll probably bring her on YouTube at some point. She's great. The IG Live people know Auntie Nana. Auntie Nana sat down with me and just basically gave you a run through a lot of these things, especially the relationship stuff, dating, and relying on God. Like, she's like, I think I was like 22 or 23. She's like, you're 23, you know. Yeah, I was like, I think it was direct the point, but anyways. She's like, you're 23, you know, you need to be having fun, you need to go out with your friends, you need to be, like, living your life, because you don't want to be 40, 50 and looking back and now trying to live. Because she's like, it's better just to have your fun. You know what I mean? You don't have any kids, you're not married yet, like, have your fun, go out, dress nice, enjoy yourself with your friends, like, happy yourself, but also have your goals, have your things you're working on. So, like, this is the prime. Like, you should not really be wasting your time crying over somebody's son. It's a waste of water and salt. It's a waste of water and salt. Don't cry over someone's son. He's not crying over you.
It's true.
Yeah, and that's why I said, starting 5, if you find yourself crying over someone's son, go talk to somebody else's son, if that's what you need to do. Unless you know how to be by yourself. Yeah. So either learn to be by yourself or talk to somebody else's son.
I feel like that should come first, though. You have to learn to be by yourself.
Yeah, but some people don't know how. So that's why I'm like, at least let people entertain you. And when I say starting 5, my way, other people might do whatever they want to do, but my way is just literally someone who takes you out to eat and this and that. So have, like, people who just take you out to eat and to go to get drinks and stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, if you really want to do it like the 2020 way, you guys can split 20 and 20, whatever, do it half. But it's just like to keep you social and keep you out and not focusing so much on somebody's son, because that's also when you can study the differences between people. The guy that you think you're crying about, every time you call him, he's not there. But then the other one, anytime you call him, he's available. He wants to hang out. When you talk on the phone, he sounds like he's listening more. Then you can hear you can see the differences. But if all you know is Jacob or whoever the guy is, like, all you know is him. But when you talk to other people, then you can see, oh, this one he's funny. This one he's caring. This one, when I complained to him about what was going on with my mom, he stopped by and brought us something. You know, then you can see the differences, like, that's okay, true. This is something I like. In my future guy, I need this. In my future this, I don't like that. And I think you only learn that from dating. Auntie Nana actually told me, like, you learn that from dating. Like,
I guess
from getting to know different people. But you don't need to be out here in these streets.
No, honey.
But you can, like, get to know different people.
So, that just about wraps up everything. And I'm so grateful that you shared all your wisdom and everything for myself and other ladies in their 20s. So, if you guys have any comments with what we've spoken about, then I guess share with me. You can follow me on Instagram. It's Catherine B Asante, and
also your hair.
Yes, and also
she braided my hair.
Yeah, I braid hair. Their page is See Pristine Touch, based in North London. So come get your braids done, and hopefully you'll see me again.
Yes, definitely, definitely be seeing her again. So thank you so much. As always, like, share this with a friend if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe.